I hear the voice of God telling me, I ask the President of the Republic of Kenya, Honorable William Ruto, to seek God. You kneel down and seek God. Stop what you are doing. Kneel down first. Seek God. You and your government, seek God. This war is not carnal. It is a spiritual warfare. You will not win this battle unless you go back to your knees. They are powerful. They are more strong, more prepared, more organized than you think you are. They have the control of everything. They have the control of every sector of the government. They have the control of every sector, every system you think you are in charge. You are not in charge of anything. They are running the show. The Lord is saying, kneel down on your knees. He's saying that you forgot the prayers you used to conduct, the things that how you used to call God, you stopped. The vigor, the strength, the pursuit, the desire, the ambitions you had towards God before that fire has gone. Not because you have fallen short of the glory of God, but they have kept you so busy that you have lost the ball. Keep your eye on the ball. They have succeeded in keeping you busy. Nowadays, you don't have enough time to seek God. God is telling you, He is with you. Seek Him first. Do not do anything. He is in control. God bless you. God bless Kenya.